the most popular historical sites in China. Everyone try to visit it, but don't miss this video before that. That is Tiananmen Square in Beijing. The square is magnet for domestic tourists during national holiday. The officials indicate you must book a passport alone, flag raising or lowering ceremony, passing through the north end of Tiananmen Square is mandatory. Remember, it's highly sensitive and politically regulated area. Tiananmen Square in Beijing is one of the largest public squares in the world. It has deep historical, political, and cultural importance. Every year, tens of millions of people visit it. Some arrive for tourism, others come for patriotic ceremonies. If you plan to visit, preparation is very essential. Security, timing, weather, and cultural norm all matter. Historical context. You need to understand why Tiananmen Square is significant. Construction began in 1470 during the Ming Dynasty. This square has hosted major events including parades, protests, and celebration. This is not only tourist site, it's a political space, so your behavior is observed. Security. Expect bag checks at all entrance. Identification is required. For Chinese citizens, the national ID card is scanned. Foreign visitors need a passport, and large bags are not allowed at all. Police presence. Constant facial recognition technology is in use. In 2020, reports say that over 200 million CCTV cameras were in operation across China. Tiananmen Square is one of the most monitored areas. Do not look for me. Political statements, photography of guards are restricted. Always follow instructions. Timing your visit. The square opens early. It usually opens before sunrise and closes late in the evening. Arrive before dawn if you want to see the national flag raising ceremony. This is one of the most attended daily rituals. It starts precisely at sunrise. Hundreds, sometimes thousands, was each and every day. Visit early in the morning. Avoid heavy crowd. Weather consideration is another important thing. Beijing has 4 seasons, each affects your visit. Winter is cold. Average January temperatures around -3 degrees Celsius. So wear heavy clothing. Summer is hot and upward and humid. July average 26 degrees Celsius, a piece above 35 degrees Celsius. So bring water at this time. Spring and autumn are mid but windy. The storm sometimes occurs in March and April. Check the AQI index before your visit. Beijing often record AQI levels above 150, which is unhealthy. Attractions within the squares. What are the things inside the square? There are multiple important sites. A 38 meters granite obelisk built in 1958 inside the square. Mao Zedong Mausoleums. The resting place of Mao Zedong open Tuesday to Sunday. Admission is free, but a strict rule applies there. No bag or cameras allowed inside. Line form early. Great Hall of the Peoples. Another important thing inside the square, the seat of Chinese Parliament. Guided tours are available when Parliament is not in the season. National Museum of China, another one of the most visited museums worldwide, recording more than 7 million visitors in 2024. A rule of conduct. You must respect the rules. Respect the queue system. Keep your voice down inside the memorials. Photography inside the mausoleum is prohibited. Eating, drinking, and smoking are not allowed. Accessibility. The square is large and open. Walking long distance is required, totaling this about 880 meters north to south. 500 meters east to west. No shade in the central square brings sun protection. So, wheelchair access is available at most entrances. Elevators are present nearby the mosque. Public toilets are located on the east and west sides. Transport option. Tiananmen Square is central in Beijing. The square is near the Forbidden City. It's less than 10 minutes on the foot. Taxis draw passengers as designated zone. Traffic restrictions are common. Restaurants and cafes are located outside the square near the economic street. Food chains, tea shops, and traditional Beijing snack shops are nearby. Bring water, but check if boats are allowed through the security. Sometimes steel boats are permitted. Guided tours prices vary. Group tours start from 200 RMB, that means around 28 USA dollar. Local etiquette. Understanding local norms is key. A respect symbol of the states. Do not mock flag, monuments, or statue. Speak quietly in memorial area. Dress modestly. Avoid offensive slogans. On closing, do not block others' photos. Pickpockets target crowded zone, although police presence is high. In market pedestrian area, traffic is heavy around the square. Emergency services are nearby. Fewer crowd at night. No flag ceremony after sunset. Obviously. So, finally, checklist for visitors. Bring your passport. Check weather and air quality. Plan time for flag ceremony. Visit museum for context. Respect rule on photography and conduct. Prepare for large crowds. And don't forget, eat before or after your visit. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. It's a new channel. Very important information for tourists. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a comment and like and share. And help me please. Thank you.